Okay, here's our light ruby red fire up. Donor bottle again, a little bit of gas. Carb bowl should be full. I'm gonna go into key position and let's see if we can make magic happen. Okay. We're outside, it's cold. Okay, I've increased the speed a little bit on the idle. Let me try to give it a little more. Okay. So, there's our low beam. High beam. Indicator, back to low beam, horn, tail light is on. Again, it's cold out here, so I gotta try to do this to where the battery's not going to fall off the bike. Again, high beam, low beam. Kill on the with the kill switch. Bike dies. We'll go back to run. Fired it back up, and then key position 1 and key position off, and the bike dies just as it's supposed to do. I'm going to let it run out of fuel. Really shocked. These bikes they fire up awesome, man. Give me a shout when you get these. Catch you later.